Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 4.3 of class 7th maths, okay? So see what is given in the first question, option number A, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equals to 37 by 2. There is one rule in mathematics that we have to transpose constant towards constant side. This whole side is called LHS, means left hand side. This side is called RHS, means right hand side. So this is a constant, this is a constant. So we will transpose this constant towards that side. It means transposing 5 by 2 from LHS to RHS side. Now what we are getting, 2 by this side equal to sign. After transposing 37 by 2, this is in plus. So after transposing it will become minus 5 by 2. Now 2y equal to, what is the LCM of 2 and 2? That is 2. 37 minus 5. 37 minus 5 gives us 32 upon 2. When you divide 32 by 2, so 2 ones are 2, 2 16s are 32. So here is 16. So 2y equal to 16. Now we know that these two are in multiplication. So after transposing this will go in divide. So transposing 2 to RHS side. This is right hand side. So this will go in divide. Now 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. So what is the value of y? Value of y is 8. Okay. Now the different option of the same question is option number I. Now let us see what is given in option number I. See here. 3l by 2 equal to 2 by 3. Now we know the method. Multiplying both sides by 2. See, 2 is in divide here. This is a constant variable. So what we have to do? We have to eliminate all the constant from the variable side. So multiplying both sides by 2. So when you multiply to this side, see here, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled out. And what is remaining left? That is 3l equal to 2 2s are how much? 4 divided by 3. Now 3 and L both are in multiplication. So what is opposite of multiplication? That is divide. So the same number which is in multiplication, we will divide same number to both sides. So dividing both sides by 3. 3L divided by 3 and 4 by 3 is already there. So divided by 3 means 3 and 3 are in multiplication. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. See here, 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. What is remaining left? 4 upon 3 3s are 9. So what is the value of L? Value of L is 9. Okay. Now let us see what is given in question number 2, option number A. See here, 2x plus 4 equal to 12. First we have to eliminate the constant which is multiplied with the variable. 2 is in multiply, so we will divide same number both sides, dividing both sides by 2. So when we will divide 2 this side and 2 this side, see here 2 and 2 cancel out and 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So here remaining left x plus 4 and here 2 6 are 12. Now you can see with this variable what is the constant? Constant is 4. I have told you the rules that what is the opposite of addition? Opposite of addition is subtraction. So what we will do? We will subtract the same constant both sides. So subtracting 4 both sides. X plus 4 minus 4 and this side also 6 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel out, remaining left is x and 6 minus 4 gives us 2. So this is the pattern you have to solve question number 2. First eliminate all the constant which is multiplied or divided by the by the variable, and after that you have to find out the value of variable. Now let us see question number 3. In question number 3 there are quite similar questions which are easily can be solved like by applying concept of question number 2, but option number D is different. So let us see what we have to do. Here are two constant, or we can say 3 constant is on variable side. Variable is p, 1 is also on p side, 5 is also on p side and 4 is also on p side. So what we have to do? First we have to solve plus or minus sign. So this 4 is in plus with this variable. So what we will do? Subtracting 4 both sides. So 4 plus 5p minus 1, subtracting 4 this side and subtracting 4 this side. Now here you can see this is a minus 4 and this is a plus 4. These two cancel out. What is remaining left? That is 5p minus 1. 34 minus 4 gives us 30. Now 5 is in multiplication with p minus 1. So what we will do? We will divide 5 both sides. So 5p minus 1 divided by 5, 30 divided by 5. This 5 and 5 cancel out. Remaining left is p minus 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So here it gives us 6. Now with variable, what is the constant? That is 1. And in subtraction, so what is the opposite of subtraction? Addition is opposite of subtraction. So adding 1 both sides, p minus 1 plus 1, and here also 6 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, remaining left is p, and here 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So this is how we got the value of variable p. So same concept you have to apply in question number 3 for solving all the options. Now this is the last question of the exercise. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equals to 2. Means we have to put value of x2 in place of in any equation, and we have to justify the equation. Like first equation, these are the 3 equations. Same you have to do the second option. Like first equation is 2x is equals to 4. So when I multiply in place of x, when we place 2, so 2 2s are how much? 4. So here when you place 2 into 2, it will gives us 4. Now second equation, 3 multiplied by x divided by 2. So if in place of x we will put 2, 3 2s are 6 divided by 2. So 3 2s are 6 divided by 2, and it will gives us 3. Okay. Now third equation, 8 minus x is equals to 6. Now 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. When you subtract 8 minus 2, it will give us 6. So these are our 3 equations which are justifying LHS is equals to RHS. So same thing you have to do in option number B with x is equals to minus 2. This is our exercise 4.3, and thank you students for watching this video.